Hi everyone, I'm Alex. I'm the manufacturing manager at Leatherman. Today, I'll be giving you a brief overview of the tools and functions of the compact Sidekick multipurpose tool. The Sidekick is a great option for first-time multi-tool users or someone who wants to have the essentials of a Leatherman in a compact and lightweight form factor. It also comes equipped with a pocket clip and nylon sheath for multiple carrying options. The Sidekick has 15 tools, weighs 7 ounces, and measures 3.8 inches when closed. Now, let's walk through all the features of the Sidekick. When you open the Sidekick,